to clean a horse blanket with me. It works for any type of blanket. First thing I will start off with doing is spraying off the blanket. Then I will fill up a bucket with water and soap and let the soap get all foamy. Then I will scrub it into the blanket. Since my blanket has white part on it, I will use any white cleaner, anything that will work for it to get any stains out of anything. Then I will scrub that in, and as you can see, once you put elbow grease into it, it works like a charm. Then I will go ahead and spray the blanket off, get all the soap off the blanket. Remember to do the same for the other side. Let it sit out to dry.